Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Wallet is not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and facing the issue that your Apple Wallet or Apple Pay is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. So go to general section here. Go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go to language and region and select your own region from here. Then go back from here and go to data time section. Enable this toggle to set your data time automatically. Again, go back and here go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find any pending software update, just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and here you have to go to screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, just go back and here go to general section, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be an issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, just go back and you can also try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix managed glitches. Now to do this, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go to your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option. And here you have to look for Apple Wallet. And just select Apple Wallet from here. Just tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.